Here's a 2016 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. As strong and reliable as they come, with advanced technology that keeps your day productive. This Silverado 1500 has a bold look with an intimidating front end, sculpted hood, and signature LED lighting. But it still provides the same strength and power that makes it the best tool for a productive day on the job site. Bed rail protectors help protect a cargo box that will haul the heaviest loads and get in and out easily with a corner step rear bumper. Once you're strapped in, relax in a quiet cabin on dual resilient foam seats and with the peace of mind knowing the high-strength steel safety cage will protect you in the event of an impact.
The Bose sound system gives you a rich listening experience. The trailer hitch receiver is a must-have to tackle any project. The backup camera gives you a clear picture of what is behind you.
It'll give you all the muscle you need while it watches your back the entire way. Check out the strength and safety of this Silverado today.
Fast, fair, and fun. Give us a call or stop by. We're conveniently located in the Idaho Center Auto Mall.